Hello, what is up mga moms or sir mom? Ako po si Ralph Cifra, isang visual artist from Manila, Philippines. And today we are going to unbox and review the Ultra Street Fighter 2, the Final Challengers Kami action figure from Jada Toys. Right, first we gotta take a look at the packaging. Super nice packaging, para siyang arcade machine. So you have the health bar, KO, buttons here, uh, illustration of Kami, Ultra Street Fighter 2, Kami na text sa side, Kami, Fei Long, and Ryu dito sa likod, shot of the action figure, and then the rest of the characters, Evil Ryu, E Honda, Blanca, Guile, T-Hawk, Fei Long, Balrog, Sagat, Akuma, Evil Ken, Chun-Li, Zangief, Dalsim, Kami, DJ, uh, Vega, and M. Bison. Halos kompleto na to mga monster. Si ano na lang, ilan ba? Ito, wala pa ako. E Honda and Balrog released na to. Tapos si T-Hawk at saka si Zangief yun last, I think. Okay? Dito naman sa side, we have T-Hawk, Balrog, and sino pa ba? Wala na. Okay. Tara, buksan na natin. Buksan natin sa ilalim. Actually, nabuksan ko na to. Labas lang natin ulit. Okay, so ito yung clamshell niya. Ang ganda ng background. Super cool background, pixelated background, just like sa arcade machines. Super cool. May mga aurora borealis dito. Tapos you have the mountains and then the landscape. Okay, so this is the action figure, front, side, back, and the other side. Tapos meron siyang mga inclusions. You have extra head, effect part, and two hands. Ang height ni Kami ay around 5.5 inches tall. Mas maliit siya kaysa dun sa ibang Street Fighter na characters. Okay, shake test muna tayo. Nice, wala namang umaalog na joints, walang loose joints. Very cool design ng Jada Toys. Overall, it's a very nice action figure in terms of proportion. Ganda ng plastic na ginamit. I think ABS plastic yung ginamit dito. Let's start off with the head. She's wearing a red beret with a triangle sa front. So naka-offset yung beret niya. Then you have the bangs dito, naka-extend sa front. Tapos naka-tirintas yung kanyang hair. Ang ganda, articulated pala tong part na to. Then you have the ponytail here, red. Ang ganda ng color palette niya. It's green and yellow and red. Tapos yung skin tone, very nice. Yung skin tone niya, merong mga airbrushed ng parts for additional depth. And also yung kanyang suit ay color green, military green. And then dito meron din mga camouflage pattern. Tapos meron siyang gauntlets na red. Then you have the back part. And very very pronounced yung kanyang rear area. Then you have the black boots. Very nice. Meron din mga sculpt for para mga sintas. Ganda ng design dito. Very very faithful dun sa game. I love how they make these action figures from Jada Toys. Sobrang ganda. Ang first na nagkaroon ako nito si, ano ba yung first wave? Ryu. Ryu, Chun-Li, and I think Ken? Hindi. Fei Long. Yun yung first wave. And umorder ako nun. Tapos, nag-stop ako sa third wave nga ba? Yeah, third wave. So I have Blanca and Vega. Yes, so re-review natin yon in the near future. But for the meantime, this is Kami. Super cool. Ito yung extra head niya. Yung emotion niya dito, it's nakapout yung lips niya. Very nice paint dun sa kanyang eyes. Look at that. And the eyebrows. Tapos pronounced din yung kanyang nose. And then you have the mouth with the teeth. Tapos meron pa siyang scar sa kanyang face. Super cool. Then nice ear design also. Meron din pala siyang inverted triangle dito sa kanyang chest. For the effect part naman, translucent plastic yung ginamit dito. And I love how they painted this. Clear yellow yung inad nila dito for the paint effect using an airbrush. Tapos meron siyang dalawang fists. In terms of articulation, head can look up, down, 360. Itong mga part ng hair na iikot din. Tapos arms can rotate. Arms can also move out. Merong rotation sa arms. Tapos double jointed yung elbow, ball joint yung kamay, up and down. Tapos it can do some stretches like that, crunches like that, that far. Very nice. Itong part na to soft para hindi maghinder sa articulation. kick that far, back kick that far, rotation sa hips, and then double jointed na knee, and then merong ding boot cut dito. Tapos ball joint yung paa, you can move up and down. Wala siyang toe articulation. So itong part na to, yung sa paa, pwede nyo i-equip dito sa kanya feet. Okay, meron siyang slot dito. Madaling-madali lang. Ayan. Pa-press nyo lang. Tapos, ayan, pwede nyo nang i-pose si Kami with, with her Street Fighter moves. Alright, so yun lang mga ma'am sir, that's it. Yun ang ating review ng Kami action figure from Jada Toys. Super, super nice Kami action figure. And sana makompleto natin to. No? Soon, bibili natin lahat ng mga action figures na to and then di-display natin sa ating display area. Ganda ng figure na to if you have the extra budget and you're completing the Street Fighter 2 line. Go, go, go. Buy this. Super nice. Thank you very much for watching and see you sa next video. Bye-bye.